AI is not just changing how we work, it's changing who gets rich and who gets left behind. Right now, there are people quietly positioning themselves, learning, adapting, building, while everyone else is watching from the sidelines. And in a few years, that difference won't just be visible, it will be impossible to ignore. AI is everywhere right now. It's in your phone, your apps, your work, your feed. It can write entire articles in seconds, design graphics in minutes, generate code, analyze data, even simulate human conversation. So, well, it's hard to tell the difference. Things that used to take hours now take minutes. Things that used to require expertise can now be done by almost anyone. And because of that, everyone is asking the same question. Can AI make me rich? But that's the wrong question. The real question is, what happens to people who don't understand how to use it? Because that's where the real story is. Not in what AI can do, but in what happens to people who ignore it, misuse it, or underestimate it. Because history has already shown us something very clear. Every time the world shifts, every time technology leaps forward, a small group of people rises fast, and the majority slowly falls behind. Not because they're less intelligent, but because they didn't adapt in time. Think about it. When the Industrial Revolution happened, machines replaced manual labor. People who understood machines built factories, scaled production, created wealth. Others, they kept doing things the old way until the old way disappeared. Then came the internet. At first, it looked like a toy. Emails, websites, chat rooms. But a few people saw something deeper. They didn't just use the internet. They built on it. They created platforms, businesses, systems, and over time, they built empires. Meanwhile, millions of people use the internet every day, scrolling, consuming, entertaining themselves, but never actually benefiting from it financially. Same tool, completely different outcomes. And now, we're watching the exact same pattern repeat itself with AI, but this time, it's faster, much faster. AI is not just another tool. It's a multiplier. It amplifies ability. If you're skilled, it makes you more powerful. If you're creative, it makes you faster. If you understand systems, it helps you scale. But if you don't have direction, if you don't build skills, if you don't take action, it replaces you. That's the uncomfortable truth. AI doesn't level the playing field. It stretches it. The gap between people gets wider. The strong get stronger. The passive fall behind. Most people will not get rich from AI. Not because they can't, but because they won't. They won't change how they think. They won't change how they learn. They won't change how they act. Instead, they will use AI casually. They'll ask it random questions, generate quick answers, maybe save a bit of time here and there, but they won't go deeper. They won't study it. They won't experiment with it. They won't build anything meaningful with it. And slowly, without realizing it, they'll fall behind. Not in one dramatic moment, but gradually, quietly, day by day. While others are building leverage, they're staying comfortable. And comfort is expensive. Getting rich in the AI age is not about the tool. It never was. It's about how you think. And more importantly, how you act. The people who will win in this new era are not the ones who simply use AI, but the ones who use it with intention. They focus on solving problems. They focus on creating value. They focus on moving fast. Because in every economy, value is what gets rewarded, not effort, not time, value. And AI allows you to create more value, faster than ever before. Money has always followed value. Always. If you solve a small problem, you get small rewards. If you solve a big problem, you get big rewards. Simple. Now think about this. What happens when you can solve problems 10 times faster? What happens when you can test ideas instantly? What happens when you can build systems without needing a full team? That's what AI enables. It compresses time. It removes friction. It expands what one person can do. So now, a single individual, with the right mindset, can compete with entire teams from the past. That changes everything, but only for those who actually use it that way. Here's the part nobody likes to hear. AI will not save you. It will not magically make you rich. It will not fix a lack of discipline. It will not replace curiosity. It will not compensate for inaction. If anything, AI will expose you. It will highlight the difference between people who take action and people who wait, people who build and people who consume, people who adapt and people who resist. Because when tools become powerful, your mindset matters even more. The real advantage in the AI age is not intelligence. It's not talent. It's not even access. Because almost everyone has access now. The real advantage is adaptability. Your ability to learn quickly. Your willingness to experiment. Your courage to try, fail, adjust, and try again. That's the skill that matters now. Because AI is evolving every day. What works today might be outdated tomorrow. So the people who succeed won't be the ones who memorize tools, but the ones who understand how to learn them quickly. The people who will get rich in the AI age are already behaving differently. They don't just scroll, they study. They don't just consume, they create. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They start messy. They test ideas. They build projects. They fail fast. They learn faster. They treat AI like a partner, not a toy. And over time, that compounds. Because every skill they build, every system they create, every problem they solve adds leverage to their life. In the next few years, the gap between people will grow dramatically, not just financially, but mentally. You'll see two groups emerge. One group will use AI to build freedom. They'll automate work, create income streams, design flexible lifestyles, and control their time. The other group will also use AI, but only on the surface. They'll rely on it, but never truly understand it. They'll stay busy, but not productive, connected, but not progressing. And the difference between these two groups won't be luck, it will be awareness. Because this isn't just about technology, it's about behavior. It's about choices. Every day, you're either moving forward or staying still. And in a fast-moving world, standing still is the same as falling behind. AI accelerates everything. So if you're learning, you grow faster. If you're building, you scale faster. But if you're hesitating, you fall behind faster. So no, AI will not make everyone rich. Just like the internet didn't. Just like machines didn't. Just like every opportunity before it didn't. But it will create massive wealth for those who understand it, for those who act on it, for those who use it as leverage instead of entertainment. And right now, you're at the beginning of that shift, which means your decisions today matter more than you think. The truth about getting rich in the AI age is simple. AI won't make you rich, but the way you think, the way you learn, and the way you use it can. This is not about predicting the future. It's about preparing for it. Because whether you act or not, this shift is happening. The only real question is, will you be someone who adapts, builds, and benefits from it? Or someone who watches, waits, and gets left behind? The choice is yours.